Meet Ibrahim from Uzbekistan. Together with my professor, we've surveyed to understand the current issues in brain MRI analysis and management, focusing on diagnosis inefficiency, lack of predictive models, and community engagement. Introducing BrAIn MRI, a solution set to transform brain MRI scans conduct, analysis, and management in healthcare. Our product integrates smoothly into hospital and clinic workflows, aiming for better health and well-being, innovation, and partnerships. Sign into your organization, select the scan type, and register the patient. Enter patient's full name along with selecting birth year and day. Click on a Save button. Now you may select newly registered patient and fill out the form based on your observation and generate the conclusion. Wait a few seconds, then you should see the conclusion. Enter your name, save the observation and conclusion. Next, click on a menu icon and select All Observations. Here you can see all patients' observations. To see detailed information, click on Eye icon. We have observation, observed date, and conclusion. To approve it, click on Check icon, then enter your full name and click Approve. See the changes, try to refresh screen. You may click on Check icon again and see it's approved. Now, close the dialog and back to Patient's Records. Scroll left and click on a Report icon. Next, click Generate, wait a few seconds, and then click Download Report. Now you may share it with patient for further steps. We're just starting. Our goals are process BrAIn MRI scans directly for more accurate diagnoses and automate radiologists' workflows. Create a Metacord platform for a dynamic community of patients, doctors, and hospitals. BrAIn MRI is not just about better diagnosis, it's about creating a supportive ecosystem for enhanced healthcare experiences.